Hello, fourth graders, and Happy New Year! I wanted to do this video for you real quick to kind of give you an update of how we are going to be doing our daily Google Meets while we are in the virtual world. Okay, so we will be having a math Google Meet every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday from 11 o'clock until 12 o'clock. Now, I know you have your literacy meeting going on from 10 to 11, so I'm going to be right after that. And during that Google Meet, for the first few minutes, I'm going to be going over what your daily assignment is and see if I can answer any of the questions that you may have. And I'm also going to be doing like a 10-minute math warm-up where we do some spiral review of some things that we talked about before we went to virtual, so before our break. And then after that, it's going to be a time for you to do your work, ask questions, or you can log off of the Google Meet, work on it, and then get back on if you have any questions. But I will be available to you every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, from 11 until 12 o'clock to do a Google Meet. Now, I will be posting the code that you can use to get on the Google Meet, so you'll know what you need to type in so that you can see me. And again, I will be doing like a quick overview of what today's lesson will be, and then just doing like a quick 10-minute spiral review of warm-up. I will be taking attendance daily. This will be a great way for me to see who's doing the work, who has questions, and you can ask questions about that particular day's work, or if you have questions from previous day's work that maybe you did not understand, I'll be glad to be there and help you. Now, again, you do not have to stay on for the whole hour unless you want to. I'd love to have you there, but I will be on for the whole hour just in case you want to log back in and ask any questions. Now, I will not be doing science this way. I'm just going to be doing math this way. If you need to schedule a different time with me to maybe talk about some science questions, and that is for my homeroom students, since you have the science packets for the next 2 weeks, then we can definitely do that. If we go into virtual longer than the 2 weeks, then Ms. Larkin's homeroom, you can then schedule some outside time for me for science questions as well. But right now, for the first 2 weeks, you'll be doing social studies. Anyway, I hope this clears up any confusion. If you're having trouble getting into your Google Meet, please just message me either through ClassDojo or Canvas, email, whatever's easiest for you, and I will be glad to walk you through it. Okay, that's it for now, and I will see you tomorrow, which is Tuesday, at 11 o'clock for our Google Meet. Oh, one more thing before I forget. I was looking on our checklist that I sent home, and originally on our math checklist, it says that I would be having a Google Meet with you this week on Thursday and Friday. And that was it. It just said Thursday and Friday, a Google Meet. So disregard that. I'm actually going to be having a Google Meet with you on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of this week. And then next week, I will be having a Google Meet with you on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And it will be from 11 o'clock until 12 o'clock. So please, please disregard what you've seen on the math checklist that I sent home to you where it gave you different times and different days. So just delete that, okay? All right, that's it for now, and I will be seeing you soon. Bye.